The Nissan Pao has got a new used coil, not coilovers, removed the coilovers and put new suspension that I found on eBay. Well, the stock suspension back into it, so it sits higher than what it was originally. Found this guy in there where the speakers are at. Speaking of, here is the speaker completely blown out from the bass part. The tweeter still works, but does not sound very good. We got some Scar audio into it now. They were decently priced, so went ahead and got it. Already installed, put back in. These side buttons did not make it. All of them were broken, so we've just got some black ones on there, some generic ones. But there are new speakers installed, and backing it is, in fact, I installed some sound deadening behind it. So it's nice and, whereas it sounds really hollow elsewhere. So that's gone in so far. We've got a phone holder. I went ahead and 3D printed a cup holder, so that's in there now. But everything's looking pretty good so far. This car is pretty clean. Can't complain too much. Let's see how she sounds. So that's what it sounds like. My right speaker is in fact louder than the left. It was like that before I even swapped out the speakers. So I'm assuming that it's going to be the radio itself. I don't want to really replace this because I want to keep it as original as possible, but I do want function more than looks. So that may be coming up next.